Hello students, hope you all are fine and keeping up with your studies well. Today we are going to learn the ninth chapter of our this year's PT syllabus, that is Systems of Medicine. So think, what do we do if we fall ill after taking all the possible care? We have to undergo treatment. For this, we have to seek the advice of whether a hakim or a doctor. They give us medicine after determining the cause of disease. We regain our health with the treatment. For the treatment of diseases, various systems have been developed over the ages. And we have discussed some of the simple naturopathic remedies in your previous standard. Let us discuss some more systems of medicine now. First, let us understand that what is Ayurveda. Ayurveda is the ancient Indian method of treating disease. Two different words, Ayu and Veda, form the composite word Ayurveda. Ayu means life and Veda means knowledge. Thus, Ayurveda means all necessary knowledge regarding life. Ayurveda is also considered the fifth Veda. This science of life shows the way of living a healthy and a happy life. In Ayurveda, the symptoms, the causes, and the treatment of many diseases have been described along with the tips to keep healthy. It describes that what the ideal activities and how one should live during a particular season. It also gives some important tips regarding good behavior and techniques to keep the mind stable and in peaceful state and advises us against suppressing the natural urges. Ayurveda also talks about the dietary rules and prevention of addiction. After discussing physical, mental, and spiritual health, it describes the harmless treatment to eradicate the disease. The treatments often have to be continued over a long period of time and they are required certain rules to be observed. But they get rid of the diseases completely. The treatment does not produce any side effects, and that is a specialty of this system of medicine. So, next we'll discuss about yoga. Performing yoga is also an ancient and a very useful method of keeping healthy and making a sick person healthy. Yoga means reunion, the union of body and soul. To remain in a balanced state of mind in any situation, to keep the mind stable and peaceful, yoga means controlling emotions and urges. Performing any activity with complete involvement is also yoga. Yoga attributes great importance to asanas, that means postures of body and meditation. Performing asanas activates the Jatharagni, that is, the gastric fire essential for digestion, that increases the appetite, facilitates digestion, and purifies the blood. Thus, yoga leads to a state where diseases cannot occur. Performing asanas regularly reduces and gradually gets rid of the instability of the mind. This helps us strike a balance between body and mind. Yoga is not merely a therapy, it is a lifestyle. A proper understanding and regular practice of yoga always proves to be beneficial. Yoga is important for both a healthy person as well as a sick person. Next, we will discuss about naturopathy, that is, nature therapy. Naturopathy is also known as nature therapy. In this therapy, medicines, tablets, injections, or chemicals are not used. Instead, in the therapy, the natural healing elements such as water, mud, sunlight, etc. are used. This system makes use of inbuilt immunity, which has the power to resist diseases. to get rid of diseases and make the body healthy. In this theory, diet plays an important part. For overall purification of body, various dietary experiments are performed and attempts are made to soothe the tired limbs of body through fasting, juice and milk diet, etc. An attempt is to make, especially in digestive system, to harmonize the body and the mind through meditation, prayer, yogasanas, pranayamas, etc. Similarly, various physical exercises are recommended to improve the functioning of the body. The immune system is strengthened by various uses of mud and water. An attempt is also made to provide rest to the muscles through loosening them by hot fermentation, cold packs, and steam bath. The body is stabilized by cleaning the intestine through the use of enema and by improving the blood circulation of the body with massage. Thus, naturopathy, which was a favorite with Mahatma Gandhi, is a simple, inexpensive, and harmless therapy. The last one is allopathy. This system of medicine is widely followed in the world today. It is not very old, but it is being accepted largely due to its scientific experiments. This system operates on the basis of the minute details collected regarding various parts of body, their functions, and their efficiency. Allopathy adopts a scientific approach regarding very aspect of a disease, that is, the symptoms, the effects, and the treatment of the diseases. It keeps abreast with the time because it adopts every modern idea backed by the findings of research and experiments. The progress of the system has been spectacular largely because it also absorbs the beneficial aspects of the other systems of medicine. One of the drawbacks of the system is its side effects. So, that's it for this chapter. Thank you. Stay safe and keep learning.